As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the Fish Tank. I am Cole, and today we are doing something a little different, obviously. So, obviously, you see a pan here with some grime. And today we are doing something with someone that we haven't done in a while. And that is our friends over at Super Clean. They wanted me to do another promotional type video for you guys to get their name out. So pretty much what Super Clean is, it's a dissolvent grease and super easy and it's super fast to use. And pretty much what it does is it gets rid of grime, like you might see in our pan here. If you guys can't see that, my bad. But there is some grime in this old cake pan. And the goal today in our little video here is we're hopefully going to use our Super Clean and we are going to get rid of it. So let's get started. So pretty much what I've got to work with here is you just spray it on. Maybe. This bottle might be empty. And because I use Super Clean a lot, so not just for cleaning purposes, but also for diecast purposes, as a lot of us, use it for. But in this case, we are using it for a pan, and because it pretty much can be used for anything to get rid of any unneeded grime. So that's pretty cool, and it's obviously it's a good product to pick up for cleaning pots and pans, or even cleaning your car, or cleaning up, I don't know, a project that might involve grease. Some other things you could use it for is, like I said, diecast like we would. And what I mean by that is we use it to strip down our plastic bases to get rid of that crappy chrome coating. So if you guys haven't seen before, a lot of us use it in the diecast community to get rid of said chrome. So that's pretty cool. So as I'm scrubbing away here, I'm trying my best to get rid of this grime. I won't lie, I don't have many things at my apartment here that are too grimy, so I tried my best to find the grimiest thing, and this is what I could find. So let me wash this off real quick and see if we got a better looking result. As you guys see there, I don't know if you can, the grime's pretty much gone, and it's bare metal, so obviously the texture of this came off, but it looks like it did clean up. So Super Clean, thank you again for the opportunity to help you guys make this promotional video. Guys, I hope this was helpful in some way, and look out for another video coming next Wednesday. Alright guys, thank you again for stopping by the Fish Tank. Thank you again, Super Clean team, and guys, don't forget to watch, like, and comment down on different videos. If you guys have any questions for me, let me know, and I will get back to you soon. Bye guys.